Hi and welcome to this short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to upload emoji in Discord server that anyone in the server can use. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Discord mobile application and you have to log into your account, and from here you have to select any server in which you want to upload your emojis. So I select one of my server. Once you will do it, you have to click on the three dot icon, this one on the right top. Once you will click on it, now you have to scroll up and on the bottom you will see upload emoji. So you have to click on it, and from here you have to click again on the upload emoji, and you have to go to the files and upload your emoji file here, so anyone can in the Discord server use this emoji. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.